Hey friends, Sarah Murdoch of Adventures with Sarah here today with you to talk a little bit about color coordination when you put together your clothing for a trip. I have just started laying out my summer clothes to take with me to Ireland and to Italy, and I realized that I had put them down on a bedspread and I'm just basically, without thinking about it, putting together clothes that all match the bedspread. And that's actually a really good idea. So I thought I'd show you one way to think about how do you put together clothes that all match, because the secret to packing light is to make sure that everything that you bring with you can be worn with everything else. All the pants, all the shirts, everything can be mix and match. And there's nothing that's kind of an odd man out that you can't really wear except for, with one thing. So that's how you can be able to layer. That's how you can be able to take very, very little with you, but always look a little bit different every day. So let's have a look at what I'm talking about, laying out a color strategy for packing. Okay, so this is my bed. My bed, I just happen to have on my bed a really dark blue coverlet and a white duvet cover. And as I put this on here actually because when I lay out my clothes, this really dark background helps me see the colors a little bit better and helps me feel a little bit more organized. So I just happened to be doing this, and I was putting things into groups. That's how I start to decide what I want to bring. So I have started laying out groups, and I'll show you the groups that I've put together. This is long sleeve kind of jackets. This is long sleeve shirts. So this is button up long sleeve shirts, two of them, long sleeve sweater. These are sleeveless tops, which can also be layering pieces. And then these are the pants that I've selected so far. Now, if you have a look, I'm going to come back here. Look at that. They all kind of go with that blue and white scheme. And keeping that dark blue on the bed like that has actually helped me to pick everything else, because as I lay something down on here, I go, oh yeah, brown and that dark blue, they kind of match. Beige and that dark blue, they kind of match. This sort of greeny color, greenish brownish color, actually does look pretty good with blue. So then if I move it over here to the jeans, if I wore that with jeans, it would go really well. Beigey colors as well look really nice with that blue color. So this is just an interesting way that you can really quickly put together a wardrobe that sort of fits and matches by having your main color on a bed and use that as your palette to mix. So just a quick packing tip for you today. And let's see, that's probably going to be what I take with me to Ireland. So I've now laid out some shoe options of shoes I could potentially take. And it's obvious, I think, as soon as you put them down, the one that's not going to work. The one that does not go with that blue background. Those look pretty ugly. So funny, because you might think that red actually would not go with my whole arrangement, but it really does, because you can see it goes with this color. So as long as everything kind of matches that navy, this kind of works. Actually, it works fine. And this one here works perfectly. So that's a really good way to kind of thin out your shoes real quickly, because yep, these all look like they go together, which means that even though these are an odd color, they're red, they're going to go really well with beige, they're going to go well with blue, they're going to go well with all the other things that I've picked. So it kind of works well. But the black shoes, those were a no-go. Those just didn't work. So with the blue color scheme, white, beige, brown, those all kind of work. And it looks like red as well. So I hope this tiny packing tip has helped you a little bit. Pick a color as a base color, put it down like a sheet on your bed, and just stack different clothes on there and see what matches. And if everything matches that base color, you know it's going to match when it's on the road. So I hope this has been helpful. And if you need more packing tips, follow my YouTube channel and my Facebook page, and there's plenty on there to help you pack light and right. Thanks for watching.